Hello everybody. I found out YouTube really not like me. It seems like every time I want to post something on YouTube, it takes years. I mean, last year in 2011, then there was this maybe some free mixtapes, and I want to say I posted up here someplace where you can go get some free Danish music where they actually rapping, singing on English. Hooray! And every time I have something to say on YouTube, they just say, "We never heard about you. You need to make a new YouTube channel." So I need to do that, and I will call it something you can understand, because I found out that my Martin, aka Mel, not as good enough for YouTube. So if you can hear it, I love that song. Nate Dogg, a god from heaven. I really actually see, and you don't need to rate this, you don't need to give this comment because it's stupid. Just if I can post this on Facebook, YouTube, for Facebook, if I can post this on YouTube, and then if you can see this, then could you not say, "Oh my God, you post something on YouTube," and I have seen some of your videos. I only post one video that YouTube like. It's like, "Oh my God, he made something right." And then all the other thing, I don't know if it's my computer, my internet, or my house, or my mom and dad that just have made this. Now you cannot do something on the internet. I have actually been out there. On the school, we call it after school. And after school, translated to English, is after school. After school is going out that you live there. Is maybe some high school wannabe shit. You are there in 1 year and you learn something, and you are with everybody all the time, and you got a room here. It's like a gate to gay city, you know. I live with a guy from Greenland, cool guy, and then I live with a guy from Fyn. Fyn is this little ugly island in Denmark. You know, we got Sjælland and we got Jylland, and then we got Fyn. It's like penis, pussy, asshole. No, penis, pussy, penis, pussy. You know what I mean. It's like tits, milk. Yeah. If you can see this video about me speaking too loud, because my microphone hearing so much, I need to speak like this, or you not can hear me. It's like this little green sensor out there. If I speak too much, then it's over in the red field, and then you probably sit with your earphones. And then I speak some more, and then it's already up there right now. I need to sit over here. No. Maybe I need to stand over here so you can hear me say what I say. I suck at English. But my blog is going out that I found something here, and I want to hear what you would call this little dirty motherfucker, because it's not a banjo. It got 8 strings and it sounds like this. Oh, yeah. And all those skulls or guys that say, "Hey, you're an ugly motherfucker." Then I will just take my motherfucking sunglasses off, on, and then I just say, "I got no swag." I hate those that say, "Swag, swag, swag." Yeah, I don't know what you call this. My dad bite to me. I would play a little something for you, so you maybe can feel. Then you maybe can say, "Hey, I know what that called. It called Obama hitter." Not. Of course, it's just bullshit because. Of course, it's Obama hitter because it's white. Hello, I'm not a racist. I don't know what it's called, and I cannot play it. Yeah, this is probably what I want to find out with my blogs. I find some random stuff. I can find something pretty weird, and then I can just ask you, what would you call it? Yeah, what would you call it? It's what my blog's gonna be about. What are you gonna call it? Like, what would you call this? Of course, you would call it a slide, but it's not what it's about. And this is a pig. Yeah, pretty cool pig. Yeah, of course, I like my pigs. Okay, so what you gonna call it? This weirdo instrument with 8 strings, but it looked like it got 4, and it's maybe handmade, and I bought it in Chile. You know, where North America and South America, and then this is Chile. There, I buy it. I buy something else of them, and this is what we're gonna find out next time. So, thank you for not deleting my video. I hope so, if you can see it. Please subscribe and don't comment at my silly, totally destroying outfit. Oh, yeah, it's not good. Oh my God, Prada! Yeah, tell me, please tell me what is it, what it is, because I cannot make it go right. So please tell me. This is my new blog. Tell me, for fuck's sake, tell me. Yeah! I need to got something, everybody just got something cool. So I want to make my own future rally ringtone. What can we call it? Great, I need to get my other pick, because I love to play on my picks, because my picks make my guitar sound so funny. Okay, Danish boy blog. I need to work with it, but yeah, Danish boy blog. I'm a comedian. I'm funny. Oh yeah, and something I want to give away to somebody in Denmark, because I look stupid with caps. I don't like to go with them. My head is like, my head is a pineapple, and then my cap is a banana. It's not right. Maybe something like this, but hey, I'm not a 13 years old. Somebody want this New York City? No, sorry, the United States of America cap with an L on. Yeah. So then you can, and if you are a girl and give me a kiss, you can get the sunglasses, and then you can be so famous. So I want to give this away to somebody that go to Denmark, come to Denmark, live in Denmark, something Denmark, because Danish people are so silly. Danish boy blog, speak to me. I got Facebook, I got Twitter. Hey, follow me on Twitter, because I post so much crap. Yeah, I love spanking. Yeah, we need to end this video. YouTube, please let me be famous. Let me earn some money, and then I can make some t-shirts that not are going to get wholesale. Because I not understand the point when I buy a t-shirt for $20 or something, then there's wholesale. Because I can also take it out now, because you are fat and people outside can see you. Window shut. Thanks.